Hi friends, welcome back to Aditi's channel, and today we are going to learn how to tie my shoes with the help of Bunny, because Bunny has a book which has a removable shoe, and the book name is I Know How to Tie My Shoes, and Bunny will make it easy for you. This book is from Image Books. Bunny will show you the removable shoe, which is so cute. And it's of different colors. Bunny's shoelaces are of two different colors, purple and yellow. Look at the back of the shoe also. It's so cute. So let's learn how to tie the shoes together with Bunny. So let's get started. Bunny's shoes have a yellow lace and a purple lace. So let's start the first step. Hold one lace in one hand, the left lace in the left hand and the right lace in the right hand, and cross the left one over the right one like this. It makes an X. Just make an X like I have. Have you made it? See, it's an X. We can even put it there and you can see it's the alphabet X. After making an X, do you see a hole over here? So you have to pass the left lace, the yellow lace, from here, from this hole and bring it out. See, you made a knot. You made a knot, and now pull these both ends together to make a tight knot. See, have you done it? Well done, you've done 2 steps. Now let's do the third step. In the third step, we are going to make the loop like the bunny's ear. Have you seen a bunny's ear? Are they like this, straight? No, the bunny's ears are like this. So this is a loop. You make a loop like the bunny's ear like this, and then you hold the loop together like this. Now wrap the other lace, the purple lace, around the loop just like I'm showing, and then you see there is a space in between the loop and the other lace. Pass the thread, pass the purple lace or the other lace through this hole, and then you will get 2 loops. Now you have got 2 loops, and then you pull both the loops together to make a bow. See, we have a bow. Isn't it beautiful? So did you try tying your laces with me? It's really fun. You can watch the video again to see how Bunny did it, and then you can practice again and again, and you can have a perfect bow. Hope you like to learn how to tie your shoes with Bunny. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family, and stay tuned for more wonderful videos. Thank you.